So we've been an investor in Yowie, I think, from the beginning of 2014. So nearly 2 years in the stock, and we backed management's vision and strategy from the beginning to take on the US market as the first place to go with the Yowie chocolate egg, and I think in hindsight, not only was that quite a visionary strategy, but their execution of the strategy has been very good. To break into the US market, to get a contract the size of the contracts they now have, particularly with Walmart, is very impressive. It's taken some time, not an easy market to break into, but I think what they've shown with now this national rollout across Walmart stores is they've proven the product's validity, and as a result, I think you now have a company that has got a brand and a product which is proven in the largest confectionery market in the world, and again could go global, and their business strategy is to take it global, and so really now it's just a question of how large can this be, and what else can they do with the brand. And so I think that they've done the hard yards, if you like, and the stock price has reflected some of that. It has performed well, but I think it's the beginning of the story. From here, it's really the volume of sales that can be achieved in the US, then rolling that out to the rest of the world, and then the brand extension piece. So I think Yowie is still at a very exciting stage. The point is the product's proven now, and it's not just Walmart. I mean, they've broken into a number of other convenience chains. They've done what looks to me like a fantastic deal with an aquarium and zoos group in America, Aquarium and Zoo Association. So the penetration across America is going to grow over the coming months. In terms of their production facilities at the moment, currently they can produce 20 million units per annum. But the key point about it is it can scale up that production relatively quickly. We could be talking about hundreds of millions of chocolate eggs. The statistic I've been given on the established player in the market, which is Kinder Surprise, is that they sell something like 1.5 billion eggs a year, and they're not in the US market. So I mean, this opportunity is huge for Yowie.